Mike Innovative Garage Door, Horman anti-drop system, okay, with the broken spring. This takes a little bit longer to do than the regular spring job because it has the anti-drop. It has a keyed shaft and the bearing plate's got to come off, and you got to clamp up the center bearings. You can see the shaft here is keyed. If you look very closely into that drum, you can see a little tiny key in there. That's got to be keyed the same, but we're experts at doing these type of spring jobs and regular spring jobs. So if you have an anti-drop door or a non-anti-drop door, give us a call, 632-719-343, www.doordavinnovative.com. Like us on Facebook and Google. We'll like you. Come and have a cup of coffee at the showroom. Thanks for watching our anti-drop spring job video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our anti-drop spring job video.